So guys, today I'm gonna make something awesome, but that is a surprise and you'll get to know it in the video. And the surprise is this $50 ice cream. You see how I decorated it, how it's gonna taste. Me and my brother are gonna comment on it. So today guys, I'm gonna make a $50 ice cream. So today it's a very big day for me. So I'm gonna make the $50 ice cream. And everybody enjoys it. Kids, adults, teenagers, everybody. So let's get started. So first I took some rose syrup and it's over here. Some rose syrup. You can take it according to yourself that how much you want. It's in red color or pink or something, whatever. So first we put some rose syrup in a glass to just decorate it. Then I'm gonna it's not decorated just now. I'm just gonna do it like this, or you can also do this. So like all the rose syrup goes everywhere and it's good in taste. Time for the second cup. Take it, boom, boom. I do it more like this because I actually like this style and it's more easier for me. From the spoon it doesn't get that good decorated. So now let's do the next step. I took some more vanilla ice cream and some less chocolate ice cream because I have some less amount of chocolate ice cream and more amount of vanilla ice cream. So first you put the amount of ice cream which you have more. I have vanilla ice cream more, so I'm gonna put vanilla ice cream first and more. So first I take this spoon, I just put all this vanilla ice cream, not all the way, a bit. As much you can eat, that much you can keep. That was a pretty good rhyme. Okay, time for the second cup. Alright. Okay. You can use the spoon to just keep it. And you have to make it very fast because otherwise the ice cream is gonna melt. So vanilla ice cream is done. Now time for chocolate ice cream. I'm gonna put a bit less to adjust the ice cream so it doesn't fall anywhere. This one's got a bit more. Alright. Take this. There we go. Okay. So all the ice cream's done. Just gonna squeeze this up, put it right there. Even all the ice creams are done. Now second, this is something interesting. This is called a mouth freshener. You eat it to fresh your mouth, and so your mouth smells good. And this tastes very good. So I'm just gonna put it above like this to just decorate it a bit. Decorate. Time for the second cup. So now I'm gonna explain you the concept. How is it a $50 ice cream? So first, the rose syrup is of $10, which I just put right now also and before also in this very start. So then the vanilla ice cream is of $20, and the chocolate ice cream is of $10, which is now $40. Then the soft was of $3. Then these cherries are for $2. Then the last ingredient, not the last ingredient actually, and putting it all together is of $5, which includes $50. So now you see this mouth freshener. It is my secret ingredient. So keep it secret with me and don't tell anybody. So I put this mouth freshener. Okay, so now to just decorate it a bit more, I'm gonna take some of this rose syrup and just pour it on top. The best idea is to put the rose syrup with the spoon because otherwise sometimes we just pour it like this, so then maybe it comes a bit more or a bit less. Just a bit more over here. this. Okay, so rose syrup, the work of it is also done. And the final ingredient, cherries. I like cherries very much, so I'm gonna add just you put the cherries. I'm gonna put 3 or 4 cherries in one. I didn't actually count how many cherries I took. So you see this, don't remove this part of the cherry. So if you don't remove it, it's kind of a decoration and looks good and tastes good too. There's the third one. 4 left to go over here and 2 go over here. Okay, so now the one and only $50 ice cream is complete making. So guys, Vikram was studying and I'm gonna tell him how. I'm gonna give it to him so he tastes it and he tells me how does it taste.
What's going on?
This is the one and only $50 ice cream which I'm about to eat. And you have to taste it and tell how is it.
Now?
I mean, we have to. Yeah, now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now let's start.
I was studying, so you made it for me.
The best way to eat it first, take the cherry. Take one of the cherry.
And the ice cream.
Take all the ice cream which is on it. Eat it. Seriously great.
Yeah.
Now you taste it.
1 minute. I need to say it.
Whatever.
Now we're going to taste it.
He's gonna taste it.
Yeah. This is so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, great. Thanks.
Let me try the cherries.
What do I get for this? An A and an A plus? Or what?
I'm gonna give him A plus.
Alright, then! Finally, I learned how to cook and I told you this recipe too. Okay, so guys, from here... Oh, you dropped the cherry.
It's sour.
Okay guys, so over here, we end our video. Don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care.